The snow's gone, but the coastal flooding's still here, and there's another nor'easter to talk about in our forecast. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Let's start off with this coastal flooding during our Tuesday morning high tide. It will be not as significant as what we had Monday morning, where we did get to moderate flood stage from Atlantic City down to Cape May, but it's going to be in minor flood stage and near that moderate flood stage line. Here's a look at what the flooding looks like in the Wildwoods as we go into our Tuesday morning. West Wildwood is pretty much underwater, and right along the bay, that first block or two of bayside roadways do have water in them. So make sure you first don't drive through the flooded water and move your cars, if you can, before the high tide comes during the mid to late morning. The other story is cold. Wind chills are in the single digits here on our Tuesday morning. 9 in Vineland, 8 in Hamilton, 9 in Galloway, 6 in Toms River. And as we go into the afternoon, wind chills still stay in the 20s here. So we're still going to be cold even as we go throughout the middle of the day. And that's because snow is covering the ground. And when that happens, we do talk about temperatures being colder than usual. So during the month of January in Atlantic City, when there is no snow cover, the average high temperature is 43 degrees. You tack on snow cover, it drops 9 degrees on average to 34, and it drops 10 degrees from 30 to 20 when it comes to our low temperature. Just to give you an idea of how powerful snow is, and that will in part help to breed the potential for a coastal storm on Friday, which may bring some snow. Looking at our Tuesday morning numbers, I had to change the vertical axis here just to show it. We're going from the teens into the mid-20s by 9 a.m., mid-20s at the shore as well at 9 a.m. Northwest winds blowing, plenty of sunshine, but we have that coastal flooding. And what I'm worried about is that some of these areas could actually become icy, even though it's salt water. If temperatures are 22, 23, 24, and it's shallow, that could turn into black ice. So it could be a slippery commute, not only because of the snow still around, but also because of the coastal flooding as well. Going into our Tuesday night, we're going to bottom out early, and then we rise overnight. We should actually be in the upper 30s by 4 a.m. Could even be a lot of fog around because we're going to have a warm air mass, or a relatively warm air mass, go over a cold surface. In this case, our snow-covered surface in South Jersey. Going into Wednesday, temperatures are around 50 degrees, but you see those rain showers there. That's going to help melt some of the snow away. There will still be fog. I don't think the rain will bring a washout, but I do believe a few showers will be around here or there throughout the day. Now we get to Friday, and yes, we are talking about the potential for snow. Like last week, when we were looking at what was going to happen over the weekend, it's America versus the world here. The GFS and the NAM models are showing a slower to develop system. That would mean rainier conditions rather than snowier conditions, plus it's a fairly weak system. Most of the international models here are showing a faster to develop system that would be stronger here with more snow. So here's the GFS model. This is our weaker solution at 7 a.m. on Friday. In fact, it's pretty much dry here because the low pressure systems don't necessarily connect until they get up to about Long Island or off the Cape Cod coast. This is the Canadian model. We have a low pressure system sitting right offshore, about, we'll say, 150 miles or so, and it's snowing all the way down to the coast. Now remember, we have that snowfall cover, so it's going to help to chill things a little bit more. So what could be, if this model was true, and it was not snowing before, if we had a dry, bare ground with the Canadian model, it could be 39 in rain. This is now showing a 31 or 32 with some snow. Just to give you an idea, again, of how powerful this snow can be. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. Tuesday is mostly sunny again. We're going to get warmer on Wednesday. Thursday looks to be a fairly cloudy day. It's the calm before what will be another potential storm system. Flip on over to the shore 7-day. If anywhere's going to mix, it's going to be along the shore as usual here. I do believe by the time we get towards Tuesday night, we can at least say whether or not the storm is on or off. If it is on, I should have a first snow map for you sometime during the afternoon or evening hours on Wednesday, and then we're even tracking another system as we go into Sunday. So welcome to winter, everybody. It is here in South Jersey.